Hey, TJ here from. Hey, TJ here from. Hey, TJ here on the top of Goryu. Here's some of what we did this week. Woo! Yeah. The Rooster style. Yep, what an amazing week. We had Cortina and Norikura turned it on for us. Then we had Goryu and 47, sensational Bluebird day. And then we had Tsugaike for 3 days in a row. It was good, better, and then brilliant. But that Cortina Nori day, absolutely sensational. When you turn up to a place and there's 30 to 40 centimetres of fresh snow, and the clouds all clear, unexpectedly, and just goes into a Bluebird. Well, it wasn't perfect Bluebird day, but it was just, the sun's out and the snow's there. And as you see in that footage with the big rooster tails coming off the back of people's skis and boards, face shots going off everywhere. Yeah, it's pretty special. So I think everybody who comes to Hakuba should experience a day out at Cortina. You've got the amazing fairy tale hotel there. It's just huge. You got the steep, deep powder tree skiing. It's just as good as it gets in there. If you get it on the right conditions, yeah, it's as good as it gets. For those who don't like it deep and steep, you've got some good beginners areas there. And if you want to have an early day, you can go and have an onsen or sit in the cafe down there. It's pretty good. Make your own pizza. So it's a good spot. They have a kids area. Yeah, I'd certainly recommend it. I think the buses leave pretty consistently at base camp in Echoland. I think it takes about 30 minutes to get there. So definitely, if you're coming to Hakuba, throw a day in at Cortina, and fingers crossed, it's an awesome powder day as we got this week. So that's about it for this week. I'm actually feeling pretty obligated to get out on the mountain every day because I know you can't. I just feel like I need to milk this season for everything that it's worth. Because I would just hope that if you were in the same circumstance as me and I was stuck in an office or back at home during these crazy times, not being able to get to the snow, that you'd do the same thing. You would just get out there, ride in all conditions, and just have an absolute ball. So anyway, stay safe, stay positive, and we'll see you here next week. Please subscribe and like, hit the notifications, and throw us out a comment. Okay, catch you next week. Kampai.